Hey guys, it's Major John here, and today I'm back with another video. Today we're fixing a stereo. Right now we're checking if it's positive, if it has power or not. Look, see?
We've checked the fuse, and the fuse is good.
Yep, fuse is good. Yeah, there's a radio.
We're thinking it might be this
That
time module.
Listen. We're thinking is this. Shiny. That's nice. Okay, now we checked everything. Everything's good except we can't find the problem though. Right now we're just checking if it's charged or not charged. Oops. Now we're checking the wires. So many wires. Have you guys seen movies where they say just cut the red wire? Yeah, don't do this. You should probably be wearing gloves. You do not want to get electrocuted by one of these. Look how many wires. There's different varieties. Never cut the red wire. Never listen to movies. My dad just checked in here. I don't know if it's good or not. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Now we're plugging it back in, seeing if it works. If you guys have never seen the inside of a radio, there's nothing. There's just a hollow space. Yeah, this is cool. Oh, something's beeping.
I think we found it.
Yep, I think we found it. Yep, we found it. Yeah. It showed the time, so it's working. Now we just gotta test it out. Now we gotta put all those guts back in there. We did operation on it basically, right? Like a doctor. Okay, now. Oh, okay.
The wire.
Wire got stuck. Okay, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, now we're just putting in the screws so it can stay in, because without screws, you basically have no radio. Look at that. It's just that. Oh.
How do you turn it on?
Having some technical difficulties. We'll be right back.
Every hour. Visit
There we go. Now we got it working.
www.xm.com/go to sign up
Look at those
online
colors.
quickly and activate
Those are nice
your radio.
colors.
There's a lot of glare.
Huh?
There's a lot of glare.
Yeah, this is glare. Sorry for the glare.
And say hello to commercial-free music.
There we go, that's
Nearly
better.
Every genre available nationwide.
Yeah, we fixed it. And if you're wondering what the dashboard is, if you guys didn't notice, the dashboard is not on. It's back there. Yeah, we still gotta take that.